Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store billing problem. If you're using any iPhone and you are having any billing problem into your App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you're connected to internet or you are not connected to any VPN. Once you have disconnected with your VPN, you have to go ahead to your settings and here you have to go to the screen time section, select the screen time option from here. Then scroll down local content and privacy restrictions, and here you have to select app installation and purchases, and then select app store, and from here you have to select allow. Once you have selected allow, it will fix your issue and now you can easily use your payment method into your app store and you will not get any billing problem in your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.